Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enter progress bar in your Microsoft Excel. To do that, let's jump to it. Now click on the cell where you want to enter your formula, then type equal, then you type this formula rept. Now you will enter quotes like that. Now thereafter you enter vertical bar, you close the quotes like that in the corner, then you click the cell, you multiply by 100, then you close the bracket like that. Now thereafter you hit enter, you will click on that particular cell, then change it into playbill font family, font face. Make sure now you increase the size of that to 24. After that, drag down this like that. Now we have successfully entered a progress bar in our worksheet. If you find this video very important, please consider subscribing to this channel so that next time I drop a video like this, YouTube will be able to notify you.